Baloud, tete kamereni baloud. So jonga ke photo amehli baloud. Tete pa. Serola.
Already guys, down on the one.
Yeah, I'm just a voice man. Check window and chase.
Down on the one. Sine comedy show, comedy tour. Senzayo.
Yeah, jonga boy na better than bamula la papanti. I'm going to go fucking head. Yeah. You comedy show EP. About my lappy comedy show.
Comedy show is our Cape Town. It's World Funny Weight Championship Comedy Tour. Esenza isiqale Kapa nge-6 March lesiya kuye 2026 sabe Cape Town homecoming center.
Yeah. So ezi ngathi clever yeah. So zenzi ngathi clever ufuna uthethe English role. English ma balance ka uthethe. Thethe lento ethi kai homecoming center. Thethe homecoming center be kamereli.
Homecoming center at Cape Town. Ticket 200 rand at complete ticket. Itour izojikeleza everywhere siyaya. And I say Pizana, which is right one coast land. I say we 25 April sabe siphayana. Then get to the May obviously set Durban. Get 23.
Liya jonga siye puta hapa ine resource ya bandi na. Sikesi ya bandi ya purhaisha le kamera hapa no.
I know now ndo ikisa. Get 23 May sibe Johannesburg, Mall of Africa sabe siphayana. Then 6 June.
Mall of Africa.
6 June bese Queenstown, Queen's Casino. 13 June is lapha ke Gqeberha abantu base Gqeberha Mandela Bay Theatre sabe siphayana lapho sithola khona itoilet. Ticket is 200 rand for all the shows and complete ticket. Please support us. Thank you so much.
Liya, yindone efunayo li. Yindone efunayo.